Hello friends, welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today we are going to solve our page 20. Our Unit 2 is about Leo Lily's adventure. I hope you are done with the reading of Leo Lily's adventure. You know about who is Leo and who is Lily. You know the things which are same among Leo and Lily and which are different among Leo and Lily, and how they both face the adventure. Today we are going to solve page 20. Open up your books, page 20, Comprehension. Let's start the comprehension. Part B. We have to compare and contrast Leo and Lily. Write the words in the Venn diagram. The words you see in the box, you have to use these words to fill the Venn diagram mentioned beneath this question. Pause this video and solve the exercise. I have solved this exercise for you as well. Let us match our answers. Let us see which words belong to Leo. Leo can run and he is clever. Let's see which words are same for both Leo and Lily. They both were scared. Let's see which words are different from Leo and Lily. She is friendly and she can fly. Part C. Number the events in the correct order. You have read the whole story. You know about the events when they took place. You have to number you have to fill the boxes which are mentioned beneath these behind these lines, and mention the correct number in those boxes when these events took place. Pause this video and solve the exercise. I have solved this exercise for you as well. Let us match our answers. Leo tries to fight the fox. This event took place at the second time. Leo chases Lily. This took place in the first place. The third event was Leo and Lily wait in the tree. And the fourth event was Lily shows Leo the way home. Now what you have to do is, you have to make a list of the animals. Which animals can be pets? Write down the name of those animals. Make a list on a loose sheet of paper. You can draw the diagrams of these pets as well. That's all for today.